Joining me on this video, I'm Dan at Rockscape, and in front of you now we have the New Holland CR9.90, and it's combining weight as the evening draws in. We've recently had some fantastic sunsets with the skies, etc., and hopefully you get to see a little bit of that on this video. There you can see the front header working, the reel bringing it in and the auger moving the grain across, and on top of that you've got the grain auger taking it into the tank. And Freddie is piloting this big yellow beast. Coming alongside, I think we've got Neil in the Fent 724, and it won't be long till Freddie starts unloading. On the back of that is the Bailey trailer, and it's not far to cart from here. The grain store is just a couple of fields away. These are new fence that we've got on the farm recently, probably been on there about a month now. And it always amazes me, the light pack on all the combines. If you haven't seen it already, have a look at some of my other videos. We've got some of the nighttime ones, you can see the different light packs working and what it looks like. And the variety of wheat they are harvesting is a feed wheat called Typhoon, and yields are approximately around 11 tonne per hectare. Tank's empty now, and the auger will come in. And Neil will pull further down the field, and they'll probably take one more load right at the end just before he starts heading back, because it's a fairly long run. There you can see the sky, how dramatic it is. Time wise, film this around 10 o'clock in the evening. Last little top up for Neil, and then he'll be off to the grain store. Freddie's just coming to the end of the run. Up comes the header. We'll turn that round on the headland, top part of the field, and then head on back. So thank you for watching, I do appreciate it, and I will see you on the next video.